Hello students, welcome again to yet another interesting tutorial by Professor Photon. Kindly like and subscribe to be notified. We are going to start, so we start drawing. So when you click on start drawing, this is your space, that's how it's going to appear. Now you type in units, yes. Then when you type in units, make sure, yes, these are units. So after selecting units, you make sure that they are in 0 precision and they are in millimeters. Then you press OK. So when you press OK, now the next thing, you type in limits. Then you select limits. The lower limits is 0, 0. Then the upper limit is 200, 200. Yes, enter. So now you come here up and you go to unsaved view and you choose southwest isometric. So this is where we are going to draw from. So you see your front is that side. Now you type in ucs icon commands right here, then no origin. So this grid will go down there in that corner. Now what you are going to do, we are going to draw from the front. So you come and choose your front. So arrow X represents the front. So now we are going to come and draw a line. So you start from here up to there. Make sure auto mode is on. This line is of a length 100 millimeters. Then enter. So after entering the line, you are going to come and offset this line. So you see there's a distance of 12. So you offset from this point up to that point, then you offset it up for a distance of 12. So after offsetting it, you come again a line. So you go to line command, you come to the midpoint where there is a triangle, then you take your line up for a distance of 90 millimeters. So you type in 90, then enter. So from there, you are going to offset this line. Remember, there's a distance of 10, so you are going to offset it for a distance of 5 to this side. 5, enter. Then also 5, enter to that side. So from there, after offsetting, you are going to come here to circle and you choose circles of diameter. Circle diameter, so you are going to draw a first circle. So you type in a diameter of 50. Then you come back to circle diameter. You come back to this point up where this line ends, and you draw another circle inside of 25. So you type in 25, enter. Now the next thing we are going to do, we are going to go to trim commands right just there up. So you trim this, you trim that, trim all these parts because they are not necessary. So you can trim that, trim. So me, I'm using AutoCAD 2021, so you can trim. Mine can trim that way. So from there, you can come to line, you choose this line up to that point, you enter. You go back to line command, you come to this point, up to that point, you enter. So that's your line, those are your lines. So you can come to trim again and remove this part which remained. So from there, the next thing, you go to line command, you come to this point, that's your start point. Make sure you remove auto mode on. You make it off. Then you take your line up where you see a 0 and a line, that means a tangent, enter. So you can come here, then you take your line up where you see 0 and a line, that means a tangent. So you can go to pan and press your work right there. So when you press your work right there, the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come and draw a line here. So you come to line, choose this point and you draw a line up. Make sure you switch auto mode on. You enter 48. So that's 48 millimeters, then enter. So the next thing you are going to do, you are going to come here and offset. This is your offset command. So specify the first point, specify the second point. Then after you offset that side for a distance of 1.5 millimeters, you also offset it this side for a distance of 1.5 millimeters, as you see. Yes. So from there, the next thing is you are going to still come to offset command. You come to this line at its start, specify, then you come to that point up. Then you are going to select the line and you offset it that side for a distance of 13.5. 13.5, type in 13.5. You also come and select it and you offset it that side for a distance of 13.5. Yes, as you see there, you have finished to offset. Yes, now the next thing you are going to come here to pan, you can position your work there. Then you go to line command, you choose this line where it ends up that point, you enter. Then you come back to line command, you choose this line up to where it finishes, then you enter. Where it ends, enter. Now the next thing, you come and delete this middle line. You can zoom in and you delete it, or you can delete it without zooming in. So you can come and delete this middle line. So now the next thing is you can pan this work here, you put it there, then you come, you can trim this part, trim that, trim that, trim that, trim that, then you trim that. Yes, so remember that this thing extends down, so you can take this line down up that point, or you can come, you lengthen it, you come and you stretch it, you lengthen it up to that distance down. Then you come, you select this line again, then you lengthen it down up to that point, then you can escape. So from there, now the next thing is trim command. So you can zoom in, you come to trim, so you can still lengthen this, or you add it down. Then you come to trim, you're going to trim this part and trim that, also trim that and that, trim. It's a bit freezing, so you trim that. Yes, so after trimming, now the next thing is you're going to come here and we choose southwest. You go to unsaved view and choose southwest. You can pan your work there, then you can remove these grids, you can put it there. So you come to press pull command and you press pull this part down for a distance of 63 millimeters. So you type in 63 millimeters. Yes, then you come and press pull this part for a distance of 63. So you type in 63 and you press pull. Then you can come to this, you can choose this part here and you press pull it for a distance of 10 millimeter, enter. Then you come, you select object, then you press pull, you specify the distance, which is 10 millimeters. So you can pan, press your work there. Then from there, you can come and press pull this upper circle. So you are going to come and press pull this part. When it is in blue, you press pull it for a distance of 44. So press pull it for a distance of 44 up to there. Now the next thing, you can press pull these ones. Remember it is 32 plus 6, that is 38. You press pull it for a distance of 38. Yes. Also, you press pull this one for a distance of 38. Yeah, you press pull it there for a distance of 38. So from there, you can come here to the wireframe and you choose realistic. So when you go to realistic, that's what you are having. Yes, so you can place it there and there, you bring it there. Now from there, what you are going to do, you are going to come and rotate your work, rotate it there, rotate it. So after rotating, you are going to come behind and you press pull these parts, this behind the part, this one you press pull it for a distance of 6. You can also press pull this one for a distance of 6. You press pull it there for a distance of 6. So these parts are, you can delete these lines. You come, you delete these lines, delete all of them. So you can rotate, then you can come, go back to southwest isometric. So this is southwest isometric. Then you can go to union command, you select objects to join to union. So you select that, and the other one there. So you select, then from there you can come here to line, you can come here to line command. So you can come draw a line from this point where you say box up to that point down. So you draw your line there, then enter. Then the next thing is press pull command. You come here, select press pull, then you press pull this part off. Yes, so after press pulling that part up to there, you can come, you zoom your work up to there, you pan. Then the next thing we are going for is the fillet command. So you come, you choose your fillet, you come, you choose, you specify this point, then you fillet it thread distance of 2, you enter in 2, then you can rotate and you also fillet this other side. Before filleting, you can remove this line, so you delete that line, then you come to fillet, you choose this part, then you enter in the surface, then you enter in the fillet radius, which is 2. So now you can go back to southwest isometric, then you come here to move, you select the whole object, then you are moving to make sure you delete the other lines behind. So you can come and delete all these lines. So you delete these lines, you delete these lines, you delete all of them. So you can delete all of them at once, then you pan your work there. So now the next thing we are going for copying edge. So you come here down, you choose copy edge as I've been showing it to you. You copy this edge, so you make sure auto mode is on, then you direct it through a distance of 25 that side, then you can still copy, you get this edge, you move it for a distance of 25 up to that side. Still you come to copy edge, you select this edge, you move it up for a distance of 25, enter, then you can copy still this edge and you move it this side for a distance of 25, enter. So from there, the next thing is we are going to draw circles. So these circles should be of diameter 12. So you first choose this face where you want your circles to be, then you go to circle diameter. So the circle diameter here is supposed to be 12, not 25. So it's supposed to be 12, you type in 12, then you can rotate your work, then you come this side, you put in circle diameter, so you can put your circle, so you specify that is 24, 25, but it's supposed to be 12. So you rotate it back there. So the next thing you are going to do after panning your work there, you are going to delete these lines. So you can take your work to the wireframe, then you delete these lines and the circles. So you can draw, delete this, delete that. So you can draw back the circle, then you can come here, extrude, you choose these circles, then you extrude them down for a distance of 12 millimeters. So that is 12. Then you come here southwest, then your work is there, southwest isometric, then you come to realistic. So you are going for subtract command, which is right here up. So you come, you select the whole object, then you select the parts you want to subtract. So for this, enter, you double click on your keyboard, then you can rotate your work up to that side. Yes, so then after rotating your work, you come here, subtract, you choose the whole object, select the object, then you select that object you want to subtract. Yes, so that's there. Then you can rotate your work like that, see the beauty. Then you can come here and you choose southwest again, so it's just there. Then the next thing is you can pan, then you go to fillet. So you come, you choose this point, you fillet it for a distance, that corner I fillet it for a distance of 25 millimeters. Then you come back here to fillet command, you choose this corner, so you select the object, so you select this corner and select the fillet radius, which is 25. Yes, so you can double click and put your colors, so you can